Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a simple stop procedure to find out some information about those invoices that do not have any balance. We're going to start with a use statement to make sure that we are connected to the database that we want to use, and we need a go command to make sure that the following create proc or create procedure statement is the only statement in its own batch. And then we can have just a typical select statement to help you find out that information. And that's it for this procedure. Now let's click execute. As you can see, once you created it, nothing is happening, except that now this procedure becomes an object in your database. And you can check it out under your database and programmability and stop procedures. If you don't see it, you might have to right click and refresh, and it's right there. Now to test it, let's say we're going to test it in the same script. That means that we need to have another go command right here to end that batch, because again, create proc statement must be the only statement in that batch. And now we're going to test this, or we're going to call this stop procedure. Exec or execute. You can highlight just that exec statement and see what happens. And these are the invoices that do not have balance. Now let's see if we want to execute the whole script or the whole file all at once. Well, we have an error message, basically telling you that this object is already in a database. To prevent that from happening again, we need to make sure to have this if statement right there. Basically, we want to use the object ID function to check the existence of this object or this procedure. If it's already there, then delete it first or drop it first before you can create a new one. And we need a go command right here to end that batch. And now execute. And that works. Let's say you might have another script file, let's say here, that you want to execute that procedure. You can also do it in this file and execute. And it works exactly the same. And that's the end of this video.